Nice ride, dude. Don't break any laws.
Alright, peace out. Alright, so we're going out on a ride with a bunch of the e-bike kids around Langley. We're just gonna be cruising Brookswood. I'm going to meet them up at Knoll Booth. I don't know, it's gonna be a fun ride. I'm kind of excited. Streets are finally drying up after all this shitty weather. Just hit some wheelies on the way there. I've barely been riding recently, so I'm just kind of rusty, but it's finally dry out. Figured I had to take the e-bike out. Hit a little throttle hand off. We just cruising. My belt has been sounding horrible. You could probably hear it in the video. When I hit full throttle and it really pulls, I think my belt's loose because it keeps click, 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 click. And it did that before when I had problems and it was getting loose. Low-key, let's just rip there now. Here come the e-bikes. What's good?
We're just at that, you know, the abandoned house?
Which, oh, like over by, like just the one that got boarded up.
Yeah, it just got boarded up.
It's been boarded up for a bit because I went there and I got inside and it was all open. Then we went back like 2 days later and it was all boarded up.
Yeah.
That thing looks mint.
Oh yeah, after the build?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Dialed. You're getting freeze-dried candy from Ed's.
Well, I don't even care. I love this stuff. I get it all the time.
Oh, not the spider hoodie.
Oh, is it cooked?
Not bad, but it's got some mud on there. Not the white Nike hoodie either, bro. Oh my God, worst clothes. Worst clothes to wear on a ride.
Oh yeah.
Well, you're wearing like white and light blue.
Yeah.
Cute.
Be safe, don't fuck around, guys.
Yeah.
How much?
Let the old guy come in first. We go this way.
Fast.
How fast? Super fast.
How fast? Just 30?
Huh?
Just 30, 40? 106K on that thing.
Yeah.
Fucking fast, man.
What are yours down? Are those the two safe bikes or what?
No, this one is the fastest.
What? How many cc's? What are they? Electric motors or what?
Yeah, electric.
That's why they're fast, man. Before you even know, they just fucking boom, boom, jump.
Yeah, well, that's your fault.
Yeah, right. You guys don't fucking do any shit properly, that's why.
Just say it, that's all your
Go
fault.
fucking China.
You fucking people ruined our country.
This one is from
Too late
You guys
now.
take out your cock
That's
like
what
20.
I said.
Ooh.
If you take out your fucking cock 28 years ago, then it would be different country. Adios. Fucking don't talk like that again.
Have a good night.
Last time I came here, I slipped out and like fucking hurt.
I don't get why they paint over the graffiti, man. This park looked so much better before they painted it. All right, it was good riding with you.
Yeah,
Peace out. Have a good one. Alright, we ripping home. That was a fun little ride with everyone there. That was a great day. I'm happy. It wasn't the longest ride of all time, but you know, it was a good enough ride that it was fun. Fun as hell. Got to do some good wheelies, got to do some cool shit. Didn't eat it, which is always a good thing. Always a good thing. Oh yeah, drifting. Quick little one-hander. Oh yeah, we just carry that shit forever, you already know. And we keep it up too. Let's hit some combos then. We're gonna go from sit down, then we're gonna go up to knee knock in a second here, and then we're gonna drop the side saddle, back up to knee knock. Okay, I'm gonna just start doing it. You'll see. Back up to knee knock, around, transition to another knee knock. I mean, you can't see nothing. I know you can't. I know this camera ain't pointed down enough. But you know what? It's okay, I'm explaining it. Man, these brakes are squeaky. Holy shit. It's a real foggy day. Oh yeah, we about to hit the meanest one hand. Right, starting now. Oh yeah, just coasting. No, I lost it. I want to hit this street. All right, let's hit some swerves. Stop. One hand. Okay, not anymore. Now, yeah. One hand. Woo.